We're going to make a shirt tail hem. A shirt tail hem is a very basic hem that's made by the machine that takes our fabric hem, and we're going to have 2 folds of fabric so that we get a nice clean smooth edge. But with a shirt tail hem, you're going to have a row of stitching that's going to be seen on the wrong side, and you're also going to see that row of stitching on the right side. So this is used a lot of times in a more casual type of garment. It's very simple to make, very easy to make. The most common place you're going to see an actual true shirt tail hem is on the bottom of shirts, men's dress shirts, or blouses, anything that you can have a casual shirt, something that you're going to tuck in or maybe wear on the outside. We also will see a shirt tail hem on jeans, as well as we'll see them on casual clothing such as casual dress pants or shorts. You also may see this sometimes used for hemming short sleeve garments. Usually when it's used on casual pants or shorts or for the hem of a shirt, we will change the depth of our hem from the 3/8 of an inch to a larger hem. It may be an inch that is the depth of our hem, it could possibly be 2 inches to 1/2 an inch. So the thing with the shirt tail hem, traditionally it is a 3/8 inch hem that you're going to see, but you can use this in a modified form to do different hems with changing the depth of the hem. To create the shirt tail hem, you're going to need skirt front, pink pattern piece number 22. You're going to need your hem gauge, pins. So the first thing that we're going to do with the shirt tail hem is to actually turn up the hem. So when you turn up the hem, the first fold that you're going to make, the bottom of your skirt, is you're going to set your hem gauge to 1/4 of an inch, and you're going to turn up your hem 1/4 of an inch all the way across your fabric. Once you get that pin, then you can iron that up so that it's nice and flat, 1/4 of an inch. So what this is going to do is create a nice clean edge for our hem. Our raw edges that we have cut are going to actually be hidden inside the hem that we make. Now, traditional shirt tail hem takes 5/8 of an inch that you do. So you would then set, for your next fold, you would set your hem gauge to 3/8 of an inch. But you can do a modified shirt tail hem for any depth of hem that you want by just setting your second fold to the depth that you want. So if you want a 1-inch hem, then you would just set your hem gauge to 1 inch and fold up your next time at 1 inch. But we're going to do a traditional shirt tail hem, which takes 5/8 of an inch. So we folded 1/4 of an inch with our first fold. Our second fold is going to be 3/8 of an inch. So we're just going to take that and fold it up again at 3/8 of an inch. Once you get that folded, then again press that so that it's flat at 3/8 of an inch. We have our fabric for our shirt tail hem folded and pressed, and now we're ready to sew. So we are going to sew as close to this top folded edge as we can, and we're going to back stitch. When we do that, we'll just use a plain stitch to stitch that. We're going to stitch all the way across our fabric. When we get to the end, we're going to back stitch. So when we're done, we have our folded edge. Our raw edges are enclosed in the folds. So we have a nice clean finish to our hem. We have a row of stitching that is seen on the wrong side, but you also have a row of stitching that is seen on the right side of your garment.